Out here, the world's different. No roaring engines, no flashing screens, just a man, his horse, and the soil beneath his boots. While the rest of the world races toward tech and chemicals, the Amish still walk slow, still farm like it's sacred, still trust the old ways. And maybe, just maybe, they're the ones doing it right. So if you've ever wondered how they grow rich harvests without ruining the earth, stick around. What you're about to see, it's not just farming, it's a forgotten way of life. One, a life rooted in the soil. Out here, time slows down. The fields breathe different. No buzzing tractors, no metal giants chewing up the ground. Just one man, one plow, one horse. The Amish don't just farm, they bond with the earth. It's not about yield, it's about purpose, harmony. That kind of relationship, you don't build it overnight. It's passed down, one season to the next. The soil ain't just dirt to them, it's life. Living, breathing, something sacred. They treat it like family, like it feels things. That's why you'll never see them rushing the land or forcing it to give more than it can. They believe in something deeper, and it shows. Two, no machines, no madness. Machines? Nah, too much noise, too much power, and not enough respect. The Amish stick with what they trust. Horse-drawn plows, wooden wheels, tools built by hand. Maybe they seem old-fashioned, but they get it. Heavy machinery kills the soil, crushes the worms, messes with the rhythm of nature. So they walk slow, behind the horse, one furrow at a time. No engines, no fumes, just sweat and silence. They feel the land shifting under their boots. Feel it breathe back. Every step, it matters. It's not just farming, it's listening. Three, crop rotation, the silent guardian. They don't say much, but the way they plant tells stories. Corn this year. What's the next? There may be some clover or rye. They rotate like their grandfathers did, like their great-grandfathers before them. Keeps the pests guessing, lets the soil rest. Regrow, rebalance. You can't keep taking and never give back. That's something the Amish understand deep. Rotation ain't just smart, it's survival. While the rest of the world pumps chemicals into tired fields, the Amish just switch things up. Simple, clean, quietly powerful. 4, compost, their secret weapon. It stinks, it steams, it saves the soil. Amish compost piles are ugly, yeah, but inside, magic, layer after layer. Hay, manure, kitchen scraps. It breaks down slow, becomes rich, dark, alive. They turn it by hand or with pitchforks. Nothing high-tech, nothing fancy, but works. Adds life back into the land. Worms love it. Crops thrive on it. No store-bought fertilizer needed. Why would they, when their waste becomes food? It's a cycle. And the Amish? They don't break cycles. They build with them. 5, seeds with stories. You ever held 100 years in your hand? They have. Inside tiny jars, tucked away on dark wooden shelves. Seeds saved by grandmothers. Beans that crossed oceans. Tomatoes with names that only the old folks remember. The Amish don't trust lab-grown genetics, or patents, or chemical tinkered crops. They trust history, so they save seeds, replant them, watch them grow stronger every year. It's not just about the food, it's about memory, roots, a connection that goes way deeper than taste. 6, animals, not just livestock. To them, a farm without animals is broken, incomplete. Cows graze freely, chickens peck through compost, horses pull their weight. Literally, it all connects. Animals feed the soil feeds the plants feed the people. It's a closed loop, efficient, elegant even. No factories, no grain shipments, just balance. You look at it and think, why doesn't everyone do it like this? Because it's hard, and because most forgot how. But not the Amish. They never stopped. 7. Fighting bugs without the spray. You'll never catch him spraying poison over their lettuce. Doesn't mean they don't fight bugs. They just do it different, smarter. They plant certain crops next to each other, companions. Marigolds by tomatoes, garlic near beans. Sometimes they grow extra rows just for the bugs to attack. Sacrifices, decoys. Other times, they bring in good bugs to eat the bad ones. Or they weed by hand. Every morning, backs bent, fingers in the dirt. It's exhausting, but it works. And the food? Safer, cleaner, better. 8. Water's a blessing, not a right. They don't waste it, not a drop. While modern farms drown their fields with sprinklers and systems, Amish farmers look to the sky. Rain barrels line their barns. Gutters feed underground tanks. Gravity does the rest. They mulch heavy, keep moisture in, build trenches to hold runoff. Watering by hand means they feel how dry the soil is. They don't guess. They don't overdo. And their plants? Stronger for it. Deeper roots. More resilient. Because nothing is wasted. Not even water. 9. When neighbors are better than tractors. Something breaks? They don't call a mechanic. They call a cousin, or a neighbor, or the entire church group. When it's harvest time and rain's coming, you'll see a dozen buggies roll in. Everyone pitching in. Hands grabbing hay, stacking, laughing, working fast. There's no hourly wage, no invoice, just trust, tradition, teamwork. It ain't just more efficient, it's beautiful. Farming, for them, is never a solo act. It's a chorus, loud in effort, quiet in pride. 10. Lessons in every furrow. They don't write manuals. They teach with calloused hands. A boy follows his father into the orchard. A girl watches her mother plant garlic by the moon. The knowledge flows in silence. Through observation, through doing. They don't overthink it. They live it. The soil teaches patience. The seasons teach humility. Failure teaches resilience. These aren't just farmers. They're storytellers with dirt under their nails. And when they pass it all down, it's not just land. It's wisdom. And in this world moving too fast, their way might be what saves us all. The world changed. Fast. But the Amish? They didn't. And maybe that's the lesson. Maybe slow, quiet, mindful is the way forward. Their fields don't just grow food, they grow balance, purpose, peace. And here at Rustic Pantry, we believe those old ways still have power, still have truth. If this story stirred something in you, don't just scroll. Subscribe, join the table, because we've got more stories like this. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.